One, go. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir.
Okay. How is your life? How is your life?
Quite good.
Are you okay?
One.
Okay. So, how is your life? This is the same question here. How are you today? Alright. Okay. Guys, before I come to the next material, I would like to invite you to ask maybe several questions about your habit before. Maybe when you were in junior high school, maybe when you were in elementary school, or maybe when you were in vacation high school. So I would like to ask you, what is the most favorite thing about your habit when you were in senior high school, grade 1?
I like to draw character.
I like to draw characters. That's your habit when you were in
High school.
senior high school. Okay. Back to Ilham. What is the most favorite thing about your habit when you were in elementary school?
The most favorite thing about high school is in high school is my habit is used to learning about something, maybe like history or something.
So it means that learning, that's your habit. Okay. Back once question again. What is your habit, the most favorite habit, when you were in junior high school?
My favorite habit maybe playing video games.
Okay. Playing video
games.
Okay, well guys, the three questions that I asked you just now, this is our material for today. Okay, so our material today, this is about used to. Used to. Okay, going to the next slide. Okay, so what for? Next again, what for? We have to learn about used to. Okay. When I ask you about your habit when you were in senior high school, today you are the students of university, right? It means that when I ask you about your activity, the past activity in senior high school, the past activity in junior high school, the past activity in elementary school, it means that I invite you to learn more about used to. It means that when I ask Ridwan, what is your favorite? What was your favorite? What was your habit when you were in senior high school? And Ridwan answer my question. I used to draw character. It means that when you want to talk something in the past, right? And that activity, it's really action every day, or maybe habit, you have to use used to. Okay. I want to ask you maybe, do you like playing football every day maybe?
No, friendly.
Okay. When you were in senior high school, just several days, right? It means that your habit, repeat, and repeat. It means that's your habit. It means that when you want to tell something to your friends, to tell about past event, past event, but this is your habit, it means that you have to use used to. Past habit and states used to describe past habits, actions, or states that were true but are no longer valid. It conveys past routine or fact that has since changed. Describe past habit. Describe about your action. So don't say again, yes sir, when I was in senior high school, I play football every day. Not like that. Okay? But because you learn about used to, yes sir, I used to play football every day. It means that you are talking about past event, past habit, past activity. Next. Okay. Next slide. This one. Which one is the example? This one, subject, used to, bare infinitive. Bare infinitive, it means that verb 1, this one. This describes a past habit or state that is no longer true. It means that I used to play football when I was in senior high school, but now I do not anymore. Okay, did you understand what I mean? Okay. Yeah, Ilham every day eating noodle. For example, this is talking about 3 years ago. It means that Ilham still in senior high school. Your habit is eating noodle every day. But now when you are as a student of university, you do not eat noodle again. Okay? This is different habit. 3 years ago when you were in senior high school, you are eating noodle every day. But now when you are in university, you are not eating noodle anymore. So there is exchanging. There is different situation. Okay. Because you are an English department, so you have to learn more about used to. Don't say anymore about, yeah, a long time ago, 3 years ago, but you have to say used to. She used to study late at night. Yeah, this is talking about past habit. She used to study late at night. And then this one, negative form. They didn't used to travel much. They didn't used to travel much. Okay. Rule, when did or didn't is present. Used to becomes used to. Okay, next slide. Well, this is common usage. Okay, common usage scenarios about used to, a repeated past action. Describe habits or routines that occur regularly in the past but do not happen anymore. Okay, in senior high school, when you were in senior high school 3 years ago, okay, you ate noodle every day, for example. This is your habit, right? But now, you do not eat anymore. It means that when you are talking in English, I used to eat noodle every day. But now, I do not anymore. It means that you give information to your friends long time ago, 3 years ago, when you were in senior high school, your activity always eating noodle, but now you do not eat noodle anymore. Okay. Can you follow me what I mean? Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, thank you. Permanent, past tense, okay? refers to conditions or situations that were true for an extended period in the past but are no longer true. This used to be farm lane. Okay, this is about repeated past action. This is about permanent past states. What for permanent? Refers to conditions or situations that were true for an extended period in the past but are no longer true. But are no longer true. Can you understand with this explanation? What you mean? Please give me an answer. Yes, what?
An old building in the past, but there is no longer building anymore.
Okay, yeah, that's maybe when you are going to Jakarta, for example, right? And then at the time you saw the building, maybe the tall building, right? But now there is no anymore. This is talking about permanent past states. Okay, next slide. Well, okay, this is be used to versus get used to. Okay, because our material today only used to, so I would like to continue to teach you next time about be used to and then get used to. Okay, for this material or maybe today I just explain and invite and then discuss with you, just talk about used to. Okay, I want to ask you maybe one by one. Used to. Okay, this is talking about your past habit. Okay, well, I want to ask you maybe read one first. Come on, please make it one sentence by using used to.
So, in the past, I used to going home late.
I used to
Going
go home
Late.
late. After used to, it must be bare infinitive or verb one. So don't use used to coming, no. Used to going, no. But used to eat, used to drink, used to verb one. Okay? Well, and then you do not need to say in the past. No, you do not need to say that because used to, it means that you are telling about past habit. Okay, Ilham? Wow, please give me one sentence.
It used to be an airport here, but now it's nothing.
I used to be?
It is.
Okay.
It used to be an airport here, but now it's nothing.
Okay. Come on. Used to.
In elementary school,
Okay.
I used to play football every day.
Okay. Next.
In vocational school, I used to work in the hotel every week.
Oh, I see. You.
When in junior high school, I used to play video games every day and every night.
Alright. Well, you. I used to.
I used to buy food for reading a comic.
I used to read comic.
Yes.
Okay. It means that your habit for the past, you like reading comic. Right. Okay. Chelsea, the last one.
I used to read Al-Quran.
Okay. I used to read Al-Quran. So it means that nice sentence for you. It means that if you can give me example of the sentence about used to, it means that you got understand. You already understood about what my explanation, what my explained to you. Alright guys, maybe enough my class, and then I already talked to you. I remind you again, I invite you again. When you want to talk something about the past event, especially about your habit situation, about your habit action, please don't say anymore by using simple past tense, by using long time ago, 2 years ago, and blah 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 blah. But you can use used to give information that you have habit when you were in senior high school, junior high school, or elementary school. It means that about past habit. Well, thank you very much for your coming, for your attention. Alright, if you have so many questions, maybe you can ask me directly, but if you have no questions, I say thanks very much to you. Well, and last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes.